So we got our microwave, and it's got no lights, none of the buttons work. Open up the door, it's dark. The first thing we're going to look for is going to go in the circuit breaker panel and see if there's a tripped breaker. And sometimes if they're tripped, you got to push them all the way off and then all the way back on. And if that's not it, you could try opening up the cupboard above the microwave, and there's an outlet where it plugs in. There could be some ground fault circuit interrupters on there that you might need to reset. But the GFCI is not necessarily where the microwave plugs in up above. It could be down on the counter here as well. So if that's tripped down below on the counter, we can reset it, and that could get our microwave going. On these GFCIs, the red light being on means that it's tripped, and I'm going to go ahead and reset it now. These GFCIs, to protect your microwave, it's not necessarily at the microwave plug itself or in the counter. For all you know, it could be in another room, it could be in the basement, it could be upstairs, it could be in the garage, wherever. So just kind of look all over the house and see if you see one of these red lights on. So now let's say we've checked the breaker, we've checked the GFCI, and the microwave is still not on. So I'm gonna go ahead and test to see that I got power. I just got a lamp. And the lamp comes on. I unplugged my microwave. I'm gonna try that plug in as well. Okay, so it looks like we've got power at the outlet. So now, if you've gotten this far and your microwave is still not working, on this particular microwave, there is a fuse right down in there where I'm shining the laser. So there's a fuse right down in there. There's a possibility that that could be burned out. That would probably, it's a little bit more involved. It involves taking this apart and getting in there and changing that fuse. So if it is that fuse, I'm not going to go over it in this video, but for sure the microwave is definitely going to need to be unplugged before changing out that fuse. And it takes a while. You got to take this all off, and you got to take out some more screws inside to get to that fuse. And on my particular microwave, it's a cylindrical shape fuse, glass fuse. I would say if your microwave is blowing that internal fuse, there's probably something more wrong with it, and if you change it, it will probably just blow again, so you might need to call a repairman at this point. But that's about it. Hope this video helps get your microwave going, and have a good day.